Now part 2 of question number 4. This is question number 4. It's second part. On a sheet of graph paper using scale of 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit, and on x-axis and 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit. 1 unit on the y-axis. So on y-axis we need to take 2 centimeter as a 1 unit, and on x-axis 1 centimeter as a 1 unit. Draw the graph of minus, this is equation of line, so this line is given for values x ranges from -5 to 5. So equation of the line is given minus x plus 2y equal to 4, and we can draw the table here. So x and y, the value ranges are x less than equal to 5 and greater than equal to -5. We can read like this: x is less than equal to 5. So it means the values should be in the range -5 to 5, and it is not necessary that we take all the values. Just we can take a few values. For example, we take 0 or 1. Okay, we take from 1, then 3, then 5, and here 1, then -3 and -5. So we draw the value of y against these values. This is 1. So if we put 1 here, this will be -1 plus 2y equal to 4, and 2y equal to 4 plus 1, and y equal to, this is 5/2. So for x equal to 1, 5/2, this value 5/2, or this will be 2.5. If we divide, this will be 2.5. And now if we put value of x3, okay, for x equal to 3, this will be -3 plus 2y equal to 4, and 2y equal to 4 plus 3, y equal to 7/2, and this will be 3.5. And for x equal to, put x equal to 5, so this will be -5 plus 2y equal to 4. So 2y equal to 4 plus 5, 9, and y will be 9/2, which is 4.5. So this is 4.5. So if we put x equal to -5, so this will be minus into -5 plus 2y equal to 4. So 5 plus 2y equal to 4, and 2y equal to 4 minus 5, and 2y equal to -1, y equal to -1/2. So this is minus 0.5. This was for x equal to -5, minus 0.5, minus 0.5. And for -3, I think we did not calculate for -3. So for -3, this will be +3 plus 2y equal to 4, 2y equal to 4 minus 3, 1, y equal to 1/2, or 0.5. So this will be 0.5. So we have values. Now we can draw the line. So I am using the same graph paper. as per the table for 1, this is 1, x equal to 1, y 2.5. 1 and y 2.5 is but actually he told that scale should be changed, that y should be equal to 2 unit equal to 2 centimeter should be equal to 1 unit. So we need to draw a new graph. So we need to draw the Cartesian coordinate system here, two perpendicular lines. So x-axis and one is perpendicular vertical line, which is y-axis, and it is told that on x-axis 1 centimeter, take 1 centimeter as a 1 unit, and y-axis 2 centimeter as a 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 maximum range of values. And for y 2 unit as a 2 centimeter as a 1 unit, so this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4. How much value range? Actually that is not more than 5, so sufficient. Here -1, -2, -3, -3 and -4, so on. So first point is 1 and 2.5. X is 1 and 2.5. 2.5 is actually this point is in the middle on y-axis. This is 2.5. So 1 and 2.5, first point is this one, and 3 and 3.5. 3 is this one, and 3.5 is here, because 3.5 is middle of 3 and 4. This point is here, and we can draw one more point, -3 and 0.5. -3 this one, and 0.5. 0.5 is this one, and -5 and -0.5, -5 and -0.5, -5 and -0.5 is this point. So we can join the points. So you see that all the points lie on the same straight line. So this was the answer. Now part 3 of question number 4. Part 3 is the point R and 0.5 lies on the graph in the part 2. So graph in the part 2. Part 2 equation is -x plus 2y equal to 4. This is the equation of the part 2, and he told that the point R0 lies on this line. So if R0 lies on this line, it means that the value of y is 0, and R we need to find, which is x. So put y equal to 0 in the equation. -x plus 2 into 0 equal to 4, and -x plus 0 equal to 4, -x equal to 4, and multiply both sides by -1, or we can say this is actually -1. X equal to 4 over -1, which is equal to -4. So R, actually if we see this ordered pair, this is y coordinate, this is x coordinate. So actually we have -4 against y0, so it means R equal to -4. This is answer. Now next question is on the same axis in part 2, draw the graph of x equal to 3. X equal to 3, we have where is x equal to 3? X equal to 3 is this one. So that means x equal to 3, this line should be parallel to y-axis from this point. So this is the x equal to, equation of line is x equal to 3. as I mentioned earlier, that any equation having x equal to 3, x equal to 5, this will be parallel to y-axis, because equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. So any parallel line to y-axis will be in the x, like if it is here passing through the 5, x equal to 5. So this is the answer for this. And part B is state the y coordinate of point on the graph, this one that has x coordinate of 3. So we need to put the value of x3 here. We will find the value of y. So you can solve this easily. Question 5 is the following shows the graph of function. This is the function or straight line, that is also we say the straight line as a whether it is the coordinate x, y or straight line, all we can say these are the function, because there is some relationship between the x, y coordinate or in the equation of a line. So the relationship between x and y, that is called a function. So the following shows the graph of a function. So this is graph of a line. Determine the equation of the function. So we need to find the equation of the line. So question number 5 is the following shows graph of the function. So determine the equation of the function. So this is the actually Cartesian coordinate system here. So we are given here 2 points. One is on 4. For this point, this point which is on this line y-axis, on y-axis x is always 0. So 0 and 4, this is y distance. For this line coordinate, one coordinate is this one, and for this point the x is 2, and for x-axis line y coordinate will be 0. So we have 2 points. Points are, this is question number 5. So actually we have points 0, 4, and other point is 2, 0. These 2 points are on the line, and if we see the standard form y equal to mx plus c, m is actually gradient. M is gradient, and which is vertical distance over horizontal. We can also, when 2 points are given, we can find the their gradient by subtracting the y coordinate from second coordinate. We subtract first coordinate from the second. That this is like y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. So m will be equal to, so for example, just I gave the general name, like this is x1 y1, this point, and this other point is x2 y2. So this is vertical distance y2 minus y1. So y2 is 0, minus y1 is 4, and x2 is 2, minus x1 is 0. That is equal to minus 4 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2. This is gradient. So this is gradient of the line, m equal to minus 1 by 2. And if we see, that y equal to mx plus c, what is c here? C is y-intercept. So what is y-intercept? Y-intercept we will find on the y-axis. This is y-axis. For this point, actually y-intercept is the y coordinate on y-axis line. So this is 4. So c equal to 4. And now we found y m equal to minus 1 by 2, c equal to this one. So equation of line through points 0, 4 and 2, 0 that will be equal to y equal to m is minus 1 by 2 x, and y intercept is 4. So this is equation of line. Actually, sorry, I made one mistake here. Actually, this is 2 ones are 2, 2 are 4, minus 2. This is not minus m equal to, actually m equal to minus 2. So, and c equal to 4. So we will put here m equal to minus 2, not this one. So y equal to minus 2x plus 4. This is the equation of line. Now question number 5 is a graph is given. The following shows the graph of a function. Graph of a function means that function or a straight line or coordinate lines, that is the same thing. So you can say that function means straight line. Determine the equation of the function. So this is the actually straight line is given. If we see this point 2, what are the coordinate? So its x coordinate is 2, x coordinate is 2, and what is y? Y coordinate. On x axis, y for any point x axis y coordinate is 0, and for this point, what is the x coordinate? So on y axis, we take any point, the x coordinate will be 0, and what is the y here? Y is minus 4, because this is 4 unit below. This is minus 4, so this is minus 4. Now we need to find the equation of the function or equation of the line, and actually for this question we found 2 points which are 0, minus 4 and 2, 0. By the way, we can say that this point is x1, y1. This is x1, y1. This is x2 and y2. So these 2 points are given here, and we know the standard equation is of straight line is y mx plus c, where this c is y-intercept, which is found on the y-axis. So for gradient, actually m is gradient. So gradient, that is vertical distance over horizontal distance, or we say that rise over run. And we can also find gradient if there are 2 points are given. We can find like y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is also gradient formula to find from the points. So that means, for example, this is y2 and this is y1. So 0, minus and minus plus 4, and x2 minus x1, that is 2 minus 0. So m is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2. So gradient is 2. And what is y-intercept here? Y-intercept for this point is minus 4. We can only find the y-intercept on the y-axis line, not from this point. So c equal to minus 4. So now equation of line is y equal to mx plus c. We can write y equal to m is 2 and x and minus 4. So this is the required equation of line. Part 2 is the point P and Q lie on the graph and have the coordinate 1P and Q3 respectively. Find the value of P and Q. So for part 2, the point P and Q lie on the graph and have the coordinate 1P and Q3 respectively. So actually now for part 2, we are given that 2 points 1P and Q3. they lie on the graph or lie on the straight line. Just we found the equation of the line, which was equation we found, that is y equal to 2x minus 4. So just we found the equation of the line, and he told that these 2 points P and Q, it's this name is P and this point is Q, these are lie on this line. If they lies on the line, they should satisfy the equation. So we put the, for x equal to 1, put x equal to 1 in this equation. Y is 2 into 1 minus 4, so that is equal to 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2. So when x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2 means p equal to, because p is y coordinate, so p is minus 2. This is answer for p. And for point q, for point q, which is q3, for this point we are given y equal to 3. Now put y equal to 3 in the equation of line, that y equal to 2x minus 4. Now put y equal to 3 here, 3 equal to 2x minus 4. So 3 plus 4 equal to 2x, and 7 equal to 2x, or 2x equal to 7, and x equal to 7 by 2, that is 3.5. So x mean here q, so q is equal to 3.5. so p value is minus 2 and q is 3.5. Now the question number 3, part 3 of question number 5. Point R has coordinate 4r. List 2 possible values of R such that R does not lie on the graph. So we already have the equation of the line, y equal to 2x minus 4, and now the point R is given here, 4 and R. Now put the value of x here, x equal to 4, so y equal to 2 into 4 minus 4, and y equal to 8 minus 4 equal to 4. So y equal to 4, or here y mean that y coordinate is r, we can write r. If r equal to 4, the point will be lie on the line. For the condition that the r point r should not lie on the line, so it means it should not be equal to 4, should not be equal to 4. So it means for r that should be should not lie on the line, so r should not be equal to 4. So what should be value of r? He asked, list 2 possible value of r. So if it should not, r mean that any value other than 4, we can write like r equal to, suppose should be 5 or should be 0. We can write whatever value you want, because this is open, it has many answers except 4. If r will be 4, the point will be lie on the line. So other than 4 mean any values, 0, 5, 6, 8, 7. Now the question number 6. Equation of line is given, minus 2x plus y equal to minus 3, and copy and complete the table. We can draw the table here. This is table. x and y minus 1 0 2, sorry, no needed actually extra columns here. So just when we put minus 1 here, uh, put minus x equal to minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 plus y equal to minus 3. So minus 1 plus 2 plus y equal to minus 3, and y equal to minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. So for minus 1 it is minus 5. When we put 0, when we put 0, x equal to 0, this will be 0, y equal to minus 3. And when we put x 2, this will be minus 4, and when we shift, y will be 1, this will be 1. So in part 2, on a sheet of graph paper using scale of 4 centimeter to represent 1 unit on x-axis and 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit on y-axis, draw the graph of minus 2x plus y minus 3, same line for the values. These are the values, actually value given in the graph. X value less than equal to 2, which is less than 2, and greater than equal to minus 1. So the same thing actually they mentioned here. So just we need to draw the graph. We actually draw, I mean just calculate the value here. We need to draw on the graph. So this is the graph. So draw the Cartesian coordinate plane, coordinate system. So this is the horizontal line, x-axis, and this is the y-axis and origin. So taking 4 centimeter as 1 unit, 1 2 3 4. So this is 1 unit, again 1 2 3 4, again this 1 unit, 1 2 3 4, again this is, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and on this side 1 2 3 4, 1 unit, 1 2 3 4, again 1 unit, and again this is 1 unit. So this is minus 1, minus 2, and this is minus 3. And on y-axis 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. So this is 2 unit, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So this will be equal to 1 2 3 4. So sufficient values. And here so this is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and now we need to draw the value 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3. So this 0 and minus 3 is this one, this is the first value, and 2 1, second point is 2 and 1 is this one, and other is minus 1 minus 5, minus 1 and minus 5, minus 5 actually that is out of the paper. You can draw, I actually in the middle, if we draw the line in the middle, then we can write minus 5. Anyway, the points, we just from the 2 points we can draw the line. So actually this is the line. Now in the next part, it is asked draw the line from y equal to minus 1. Y equal to minus 1 is this one. So any line in like y equal to minus 1, this will be parallel to x-axis. So this is the y equal to minus 1. This is minus 1 point. So I draw the line. So equation of this line is y equal to minus 1. So if there is a one more line y equal to 1, we can draw, but he asked just y equal to minus 1. So any line parallel to x-axis will be in y. So this is the answer for this one. So part 3, uh, has the two part A, part B. Part A we draw already, y equal to -1. We drew the line, this one. And part B of the third part, find the area of the trapezium bounded by the lines. So we have a trapezium in which two lines are parallel. This is actually quadrilateral, one type of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a figure having the four sides. So area bounded by y-axis, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is line, and this is y equal to -1. So it is mentioned that find the area of trapezium bounded by the line -2x plus y equal to 3. This is the line -2x plus y equal to -3. We drew this line, and y equal to -1, this line, and x-axis and y-axis. X-axis this one and y-axis this one. So area bounded by x-axis, y-axis, and y equal to -1, and line which is this area. This area is this is quadrilateral. So area of trapezium equal to part third, part B, and area of trapezium. Trapezium is, that is equal to 1/2 into sum of two parallel sides, this side and this side. What is this one? This is actually 1.5, that is 3/2, and plus this is 1 unit into height. What is height? Height is from here to here, height is, or from here to here, height is 1 unit. So 1/2, and this is 3/2 plus 1. So if we take its LCM, 3 plus 2, that is equal to 1/2 into 5/2. So it is equal to 5/4, which is 1.25. So here we will write whatever unit use, it will be squared. 1.25 unit squared. So this is actually answer. So area of trapezium, that is equal to, because here we are using the units, whatever unit is given, that is the square of that unit, 1.25 unit square.